Hey everybody, here is your sneak peek for the fire sale that is going to restart on August 19th, Thursday at noon Central Standard Time. So here's your sneak peek. Ready? Let's go. Number one, we have a popcorn bundle and it will have all of these exact flavors. So you will have cornfetti, super fruity flavored stuff. Then you've got kettle corn, a fan favorite. Then we've got peanut butter cup. Who doesn't love that? And you've got bourbon bacon caramel. All right, so that will be $20 for number one. Number two is our knife bundle. It's going to come with 3 different kinds of knives. You're going to get the large Bowie knife, you get the fun multi-tool knife, and the American flag knife for $20. Then you have number 3 is hiding back here. So this is a really nice 1X blouse by JM Collection. Really, really nice, flowy, nice big button in the front. So it's a 1X, $25. Number 4 is this cute jean skirt. It is size 16, has really fun buttons on the front. It is denim and it goes just below the knees, $20. Number 5 is a women's top. It's white and pink and it's 2X in size, $20. Number 6 is the Oster blender. Everything that you see that we have originally on the store is a discounted price on the fire sale. So this blender is $25, normally $35, and we have 5 of them available at the $25 price. Number 7, this is also a $10 discount, our 5.8 quart oil-free air fryer, and we already had it about half off from what the stores normally have it, so $40 for number 7, the air fryer. Number 8, these are super duper heavy duty nutcrackers. We have 3 available at the $10 price. Number 9, these are cool, kind of like the Russian nesting dolls, but these are nesting cats. So various different types of cats. There's 3 available at the $10 price. Number 10 is a beautiful velvet throw blanket. It is 50 by 60 inches, really large in size, $12.50 each, 2 of them available. Number 11 is our retro style toaster. A retro style toaster. It's really cool. It is red, $12.50, 2 of them available at that discounted price. Then also discounted is the gigantic coffee mug. It is half a gallon in size, $12.50. It is the size of that box. Number 13 are the mini mason jars. These are tiny little mason jars with little handles on them. You can use them for spices or for random little candles or whatever you want to do. $5 and you get 6 of them. They are 8 ounces in size. Number 14 is a hanging shoe shelf organizer, $7.50, 3 of them available, really, really handy. Number 15, these are handheld sewing machines. Handheld sewing machines, $5 a piece, comes with all the accessories that you see in that box there, but brand new, $5, 3 of them available. Number 16 is a really, really neat train set, classic train set, $12.50. We have 3 of those available at the $12.50 price. Number 17, we're going to wander on over to the other side of the building. Number 17 is the Amazing Magician Show. It has a bunch of magic tricks to learn, $7.50, 3 of them available. Number 18 is a really cool origami kit with all the papers and directions on how to make those things, $7.50, 3 of those available. Number 19 is a really, really expensive German steak knife set, normally around $80. We're selling it for $30 for number 19. Number 20 is an 11-quart soup shafer. 11-quart soup shafer, $30, and you can see the picture there. It is all silver chrome in color. 2 of them available at the $30 price. Number 21 is a tie-dye kit, $7.50. We have 5 available at the $7.50 price. Number 22 are our cute little solar lanterns. They do have little handles if you want to hang them, $5 a piece, and 5 available. Number 23 are the pet treat launchers, $5 a piece. Those are really fun. You can even use them for your kids. Shoot some M&Ms. Number 24 is a non-stick griddle, really nice, brand new, $15. Number 25 is a Princess Play Tent, $15. I believe, is this the one you can color on? I believe you can use markers on that one. So $15. Number 26, for $10, you can get this star projector. It projects all sorts of things all over the room. It can be used indoors. 10 is the price. You have 5 available. Number 27, these are racing boats. The picture shows a red and a white one. The one we have is actually yellow and red, and there I'll show you a picture of it on the side when we do the sale tomorrow. So these are racing boats. They are remote control, $20, and there isn't a little alert if it starts to run out of battery, so you don't lose it in the middle of the pond. $20, 3 of them available. Number 28 is a cute soprano ukulele for $20. They are brand new, 2 of them available. Number 29 is the Disney headbands game, $7.50. Stick that on your headband. Try to guess what the person is trying to say. Number 29, $7.50. Number 30 is a twin comforter set. Comes with the pillowcases. Comes in a bag, so you can store it nice and easily. And the bag does have handles on it. Really, really beautiful comforter. It's kind of a light gray and cream color, and it is $25 for that twin comforter set. We have 2 available. And then we will have 5 more mystery items. 5 more mystery items available on tomorrow's fire sale that you won't get to know about, but they are really, really fun. We had a great time putting them together, and so they're going to be exciting. So we'll see you tomorrow at noon Central Standard Time right here on the Hooked on Pickin channel. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.